There's a world out there. A world beyond your town, your cul-de-sac, your own backyard. It's a world that's adventurous, that's inspiring, that's full of new discoveries to be made. A world that's yours to enjoy. And the great news is, you don't have to buy a plane ticket or renew your passport to experience this amazing world. Because whether you're going online, watching the BBC, taking in a foreign flick, or simply choosing what to eat for dinner tonight, everything you do presents another opportunity, large or small, to get out there and taste what the world has to offer. Sabra hummus is a great example of that. It's a foreign adventure in a plastic tub. Sabra hummus is born of the Mediterranean, made from simple chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, lemon, garlic, the very ingredients of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Every time you dip into some, you'll feel like you've been transported to the Mediterranean, and everyone else will think you've been transported too. They'll welcome you back from your Mediterranean vacation. They'll tell you how much they've missed you. Your teenage son will throw a party while you're gone, even though all you've been doing is sitting on the patio enjoying a chickpea-based dip. Sabra, dip into the world. Con 18 sabores diferentes, le dará una sensación que puede iluminar cualquier día. Algo que la leche no puede hacer. Haz el cambio con Coffee Mate de Nestlé, con 18 sabores diferentes. Hi, I'm Just In Case. I know, you don't know me. I mean, why would you? I'm only there for you every time you drive your car. If you get pulled over and they ask you for proof of insurance, who's there for you? I'm there, just in case, with the state required minimum limit. If you get an offender bender, who's there to make sure you're covered? I'm there, just in case, 24/7. It's okay that you don't remember me. I'm not looking for a thank you. It's my job. 1-800-SAFE-AUTO. I want to take you away from here. Escape with me to Casa Ole, a land of bountiful portions for little pesos, like 2 hot, delicious cheese enchilada dinners with rice and beans, both for just $9.99. Or our chicken or carne asada fajitas, served with our world-famous black beans for only $11.99. So join me at Casa Ole for an evening you'll never forget.